Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Rocket Money running slow, taking forever to open your dashboard, or feeling delayed when you scroll through transactions? Here are the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and check the storage bar at the top since Rocket Money slows down noticeably when storage is nearly full and it does not have room to cache transactions and budget data smoothly. Offload a few unused apps to free up room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Rocket Money competes with background apps for available memory while shrinking your accounts. Go to settings again and go to display and brightness and turn low power mode off if it's on since it throttles performance and directly causes sluggish scrolling and load times. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down. Start to power off. Wait 30 seconds and then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown. So, all you've got to do is free up space, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Rocket Money runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.